In modern software development, containers have become a standard, and many big companies are moving towards containers. So learning about them, how to use them in real projects will give you an advantage as a DevOps engineer in today's workplace. So in this module, you will learn all about containers and one of the most popular container technologies, which is Docker. To give you an overview, let's quickly go through the topics I will cover in this module. We will start with the fundamental concepts of what containers and Docker actually is and what problems they solve. We will also understand the difference between Docker and virtual machine. And after you have installed Docker, we will go through all the main Docker commands to start different applications as containers, debug those application containers, etc. We'll see how to use Docker in practice by going through a complete workflow with a demo project. First, how to develop with containers, running multiple containers and services with Docker Compose, building our own Docker image with Dockerfile, and pushing our built image into a private Docker repository. And finally, deploying and running our containerized application. As a final step of the demo project, we will look at how to persist data in Docker, learning the different volume types, and afterwards configuring persistence for our demo project. After that, based on the knowledge from the previous module about Nexus Repository Manager, we will see how to use Docker and Nexus in combination. So we will deploy and set up Nexus as a Docker container, as well as create our private Docker repository on Nexus and push and fetch our Docker images to that repository. So as you can imagine, by the end of this module, you will have a deep understanding about containers and a great overall picture of how Docker is used in the whole software development and application deployment process. And what's more important, you'll have hands-on experience in how to use all of this in practice.